said before, you can give me a call. I leave work at 3. So you can give me a call sometime tomorrow if you so desire.
Yeah, well, you read that number so fast that you didn't have a chance to grab a pen, but yeah, you can try that again. If you got it, I'll give you my number.
Now go ahead.
519-966-3026.
Okay, let me, my phone. Let me give you a fast call so they can see my telephone number. Copy?
Yeah.
One thing.
Spam will be coming your way. Listen to the 310s now. You don't want to give any information that you don't have to give, especially a cell phone number. Dang, spam is coming your way. Dang, from places and places. Dang, I heard that, dude. Dang, yeah, way out there. From way back. Spam me.
Well, I guess they done.
Wasn't it a gushy darn moment? Hey, you know, give your cell phone number over to frickin' CB Radio. What the hell, man? Dang, he's been 40 years old. Cool. Dang, could have fooled me once, but he ain't over me twice.
Yeah, these guys were talking about home stereo, home audio, which is something I'm really into. And they were mud ducks, talking about only distortion is like the main factor. And to me, most amps nowadays, at least home stereo amps, the distortion is so low that it's not an issue. You know, it's other things like dampen factor, dynamic range, headroom, stuff like that that's going to make, you know, the class of operation is going to make a much huger difference than you know, looking at 0.0001 distortion, and then the other one I got 0.000001 distortion and that kind of crap. You can't hear, you know, anything like that anyway. So I was gonna jump in there, but you know, they were having one of them know-it-all conversations, so they probably wouldn't have liked what I had to say, you know, about it. And then they got out of there giving their numbers over the radio, and like the other guy was saying, I don't know how good an idea that is. There's too many mud ducks out there that want to cause trouble to me. But anyway, I just finished getting this SBE Console 5. This is mine. People who watch my videos, I had customers who I worked on, and I had it a long time. It had a lot of problems. It had been modded and hacked and all that, and I guess I took too long, so the guy got impatient and got feisty with me, so I just sent it back to him, you know, unfinished. And then since I guess learned a lot about these SBE radios, unhacking his.
Hey, you didn't waste enough money. Where should I go,
That I dug one of mine out, you know, a good looking one, not mint, and went through it and hooked it up, and was using the scan and found some people up here on SSB, and I'm like, wow, I haven't listened to SSB a while, and just listened to their conversation. But it looks like they're done, so I guess I'm gonna be done with this too. Yeah, it looked like my guys on 11 aren't there, so that's gonna be it. Just a quick listening session on SSB on this SBE Console 5 40 channel full featured AM SSB big bass. If you saw my other videos, they use a lot of electrolytic caps in them, and they're a real Pita to work on, but when you get them right, they sound really good, really rich sound. Those electrolytics give it some smooth audio, but when they don't work right and when them electrolytics start going, oh boy, cancel Christmas. Alright, that's it for this one. Bye.